It got all the way to 41 degrees today, so I decided to make a paper template of my minivan floor. After this, I moved the template to my living room and tested out with furniture. I also created a graph paper model so that I could test the furniture layout on that and then test it against the real-life application on the template. After I finish getting the floor layout, I test the passenger seat area. One design that I'm considering is to fully recline the passenger seat and take off the headrest and putting the bed over that instead of having it in the main area only. That will give me a lot of extra room. One common theme to all of my designs is that I want to be able to get in and out of at least one of the doors, hopefully both, but also the rear hatch, because I have a tent that goes on the back, and I like having that extra space that's enclosed with screen so that I can use that. So none of my designs will feature a rear kitchen, and my bed will always be going lengthwise. I've sped up the playback, but feel free to jump ahead to where I show the final result of the template and then go over some of the designs with the graph paper and putting the furniture on the template itself on my living room floor. Here's what it looks like from the rear. And here's what it looks like from the side. One option I'm going to test out is putting the bed over the passenger seat while it's fully reclined. I'll have to remove the headrest. Here's the template on my living room floor. I approximated the layout on graph paper and made individual pieces for all of my furniture. In this layout, I have my bed behind the driver's seat. There's the composting toilet, wire cubes, a short dresser, and the refrigerator. I can get in and out of the passenger door and the rear hatch. I like that I can sit on the bed and use the short dresser countertop for cooking or doing other things, and reach the fridge easily too. In this layout, the short dresser is behind the driver's seat, the refrigerator is behind the passenger seat. I can get in and out of both doors. Towards the back is the tall dresser and the composting toilet and my bed. I can also get out from the rear hatch. This also gives me a nice option of putting the toilet into the tent. Another thing I like about this layout is that I can sit on the bed and use the short dresser like a countertop for cooking and doing other things, and easy access to the fridge at the same time. And the toilet stays away from the food prep area. In this layout, I have the bed over the reclined passenger seat. The refrigerator is behind the driver's seat, and I would get in and out through the driver's side door or from the rear hatch. Next to the bed is the tall dresser, and next to that is the composting toilet. On the other side is the short dresser and the wire cubes. This design gives me a ton of space for storage, but it's not as convenient for cooking, as I don't quite reach the short dresser while I'm sitting on the bed. I do like the toilet in the back so that I can put it in the rear hatch tent when I have that set up, though. I'll be checking these designs in real life very soon, so stay tuned, and thanks for watching. Feel free to leave some feedback on my designs. And as always, please click like and subscribe. Bye!